viewers and other people that view this video, I guess it's all the same. But I'm here to show you my 11th Doctor's sonic screwdriver. Now I have modified it a bit because I put this button here so that when it's up it can do about that, because the bottom bit here broke. So yeah. And yes, I am doing this on a crappy cell phone. Yeah. And so it's basically just like the 11th Doctor sonic screwdriver, except it's not metal, which is actually really pretty cool. I can't speak. Really pretty stupid. And you could like totally see the screws here, and if you really look closely, you could see that line in the plastic right there. And the green tip isn't the same color green. So yeah. And then when you usually have the thing, he could, like when you have the normal one, the one that you don't, like the one that doesn't have that button there that I put, when it's up, you can't really use this button right here to make it light up. You have to use this, which actually doesn't work now because I drilled a hole through it. And there goes my button. There, just wedge that back in there. And so yeah, when it's up, you can totally see the green, well, the button here that you could just like do that, I guess, but it's not really the same, and it won't there. But it's not really the same. So yeah, you could totally see that there's a ring there, and it's very sloppy. I mean, they could have done so much better with this. And you take this out and you put the battery compartments right here, and there's a button here and a button here, which you see when the thing is in full upward mode. And that's the battery compartment. And yes, I filed this down so that it would go down smoother, because I drilled a hole on this side down more, and there's tape there right now because it holds the metal screw button thing in from falling in. So yeah, this is really lightweight. I would actually, sorry, I gotta do this with one hand. I would actually like it if it wasn't so light. And if it was a bit heavier, it'd be more like the one in the show. And it's just basically the basic noises. It's the low-pitched, high-pitched, and then the phaser sort of thing that, like, you know, in the closing time episode, it, what was it? It stunned the Cybermat thing. And this is that sound. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it's basically you just click the button 3 times and it gives you that sound. And then there's sort of a broken sonic screwdriver sound that you press the button 4 times to get. See, it's sort of broken. I don't know what that sound's actually from, but if you guys could comment in the section below. So yeah, I don't have the packaging because, as I said, I modified it, and I've had it actually for a while. And here's how I Well, you know what? I'm going to make another video on how I modified it. So, yeah. Toodle pip.